Guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to stage a dresser for sale. This is currently how I stage all of my dressers for sale. These big white flowers, I actually get them from Hobby Lobby. They come in a variety of sizes. And then I take this little plant from IKEA and place it on top of the dresser. So I've sold over 100 dressers this year, guys. And for me, this little formula works. When people see the furniture, they automatically know it's Cozy Interiors by She. So if you decide to borrow this idea to stage your furniture, please guys just give me credit and tag me on Instagram at Cozy Interiors by She. Nothing is wrong with the way I currently stage my items. It's just the simplicity of it is boring to me. But honestly, it's best to keep the items very simple looking because you want a person to be able to envision it in their space. So the more generic and just pretty the item is, kind of helps the person viewing the item be able to see it in their space. Sometimes if you have decor items that are a little too specific, the customer may not think that that piece of furniture is for them. Honestly, guys, I'm just a little bit bored with this staging. I want to try something different. So today I ventured into Michael's. They usually have some amazing displays with really cute items, so I wanted to check them out and see what they had that I could use to stage my dressers with. I feel like this would be super cute on top of the dresser. And I actually kind of suck at styling in those ways, but look at that fall basket. That would be so cute on top of a dresser. I'm gonna grab one. 40% off, $14.99. So I think something like this could be cute. It has flowers. Ooh, those are scary. Ooh, look at these. This garland is so pretty. Something like this could be really pretty. Especially like, and these are 40% off too. Oh wait, they have this one. And they also have this one that kind of matches that box a little better. I don't know, because I love pink. But if I use that box, then I think this would be prettier. Even has like the little berries and stuff, just like the box. So something like this, just like above the dresser, could be really pretty. And then I also have some woven placemats that I got from Hobby Lobby. The best part, guys, is like if this stuff doesn't work out or I don't like the way it looks, you can always return it. They be taxing $59 for this. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Scared to even look at the price on these. Oh, this was only $14.99. That could be cute with this. What do y'all think? I like these ones better because I think this texture will read well in the picture. This is cute. I can see flowers on the top of this. Guys, I seen a bird cage the other day at the thrift store and I was looking at it, I was like, I don't know what I could do with this. But a bird cage is like such a cute, like shabby chic thing that I could put on top of a dresser. So I don't know why I didn't think of that before now. So it was definitely like $3 or something. But I think a bird cage would be pretty and then like just stick like flowers inside. Let's try this one. We could stick like flowers inside of the bird cage. Let's see how that looks. Oh, look, that's so lovely. I love that. Okay, so let's take this out. And then look at these gold little birds. These birds are amazing. I see stuff like this at the thrift store every day. But it's something about seeing it in a store, like arranged prettily, that just gives me all types of new ideas. So this is $9.99 and then it's 40% off. So I think that would be so cute, like with my bird cage. Like a cute little bird. And then my flowers inside. Like that is adorable. I even like this over top of the dresser. Guys, ugh. The funny part is, like, I'm just gonna buy this stuff easier and bring it back because this is cute and I love this. I think this would work well with my furniture. So I love those two ideas the best so far. Kind of feeling like putting that box back already. Oh God, look at that mirrored tray. I think you could hang it or use it to put like your stuff on top of. It has a rope on it so that you can hang it. But I love that little carved detail on the top. It's just adorable. Y'all about to see how much of a mess I really look. That is so pretty. I love these. Ooh, I almost fell. But how cute would these be? Like hanging over top of a dresser. Oh my God, that is amazing. Those mirrors freaking fabulous. Y'all know I'm a sucker for mirrors. Is that a jury? But I could see these being pretty, like just laid across the top of the dresser. So guys, I had so much fun shopping. I actually ended up going to Home Goods as well, and I picked up some really beautiful stuff. So now I'm just playing around with different configurations, different rugs. I really just want to give like a new look to my dressers. I want to be able to charge more money for them. I work hard, guys, to make these individual custom flowers for the dressers. I also work hard to find beautiful antique pieces with nice lines, you know, dressers that you don't see on an everyday basis. So it's important to me that I am paid what I am worth for my time and for my effort. And so I believe that through staging, I'll be able to elevate the style of my furniture. I also ended up buying a snake plant, and it looks super, super cute on the other side of the dresser. That fluffy rug is from Home Goods, as well as the basket. The rug on the floor I got from Ross. And then, of course, you guys saw when I was in Michael's, and I bought all those really super cute tabletop accessories. Alright guys, so here's the second dresser that I staged this particular day. You see I ran out and bought a snake plant, and I feel like that plant just really helps elevate the style of the photo. By staging, you can really bring the furniture to life, increase your overall profits, and really just make customers fall in love with your pieces in a new way. So I hope that you guys had fun shopping with me today and staging this dresser for sale. If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.